This video is a demonstration of using RapidCanvas's AskAI feature to generate Python code for transforming data, and then deploying that generated code to an AWS Lambda function. Begin by loading raw data into RapidCanvas. The data used in this demo is about crops that were harvested. Then transform the data using AskAI. For this agriculture data, AskAI has converted temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit, calculated how much of the planted crop was harvested, and determined whether the yield increased from the previous year. Each of these will be converted from English to Python. You can click on the Code tab to see the AskAI-generated Python. Then run a recipe for deploying the AskAI-generated code to a Lambda function in your AWS account. You can then run the Lambda function to transform the data at will, including using API Gateway to create a REST API endpoint you can send requests to. The data has been successfully transformed, including the temperature to Fahrenheit, the percentage of harvested crop, and whether the yield increased from the previous year. Thanks for watching.